Building a product launch timeline from scratch doesn't need to be complicated. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create one from the ground up in just 3 minutes, so you can have your launch organized and on track. First, you need to define the launch date. It seems obvious, but this sets the foundation for everything. From there, work backward, breaking down what needs to be done leading up to that day. Get clear on your marketing plan, product development phases, and key milestones like your press release date, influencer partnerships, or beta testing deadlines. These milestones are the pillars of your timeline. Next, prioritize your tasks. This means knowing what's critical and must be done first versus what can be pushed back. Product development always comes first, so tasks like finalizing designs or setting up your e-commerce page should be top priority. After that, think about your marketing prep. Things like email campaigns, social media posts, or ad creatives that need time to execute. Once you have your tasks in order, start setting deadlines for each one. To avoid last-minute panic, pad in some buffer time between your major tasks. This ensures you have room for any delays, whether it's a product issue or something out of your control, like waiting for assets from partners. You don't want to be scrambling last minute. The next step is to break down your timeline into manageable phases. A simple approach could be splitting your timeline into pre-launch, launch, and post-launch phases. For pre-launch, you'll focus on preparation, things like finalizing your product, building anticipation, and securing partnerships. Launch is when you roll out your product to the world. Marketing ramp up, customer service team preparation, and distribution go live. Post-launch, you'll want to track feedback, manage reviews, and scale your efforts based on customer response. To make sure all of this gets done, consider using project management software to organize your timeline. This software helps you track every deadline, milestone, and task in one place, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. It also allows you to collaborate with your team in real time, so you can keep everyone on the same page. I've tested several of the most popular tools, but I recommend you try this software. I've linked to an exclusive free trial in the description below, available only for viewers of this channel, so you can follow along as you create your own timeline. Now, one thing I want to stress is the importance of reviewing your timeline regularly. It's easy to get lost in the details, but you need to step back and make sure everything is moving forward as planned. Be ready to make adjustments if things aren't on track. To wrap up, building a product launch timeline starts with defining your launch date and then working backward, prioritizing your tasks, setting realistic deadlines, breaking the timeline into phases, and staying flexible. The key takeaway is to break down your process into manageable chunks and use software to help keep everything organized. Before you go, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software I recommended, link in the description below. It'll be a game changer for your launch. Thanks for watching.